Hello, boys and girls. This is me, Cecy. Today we're going to see the special sound squ, squ, as in squad. Como en squad. All right, let's begin. Squid. This is our special sound. Squ. And then we have id. Id. Squid. Squid. Calamar. Now let's see a real squid. Ahora veamos un calamar real. This is a squid. Calamar. Squid. This is our special sound. Squ. And then squid. Squid. Calamar. Squid. Squash. 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 Calabaza. Squash. This is our special sound. Este es nuestro sonido especial. Our blending. Squ. And this is our other special sound. Shh. The special sound. Shh. Squash. And A is going to be short. It's going to be a. Squash. 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 Calabaza. Squash. Squeeze. 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 The special sound squ. And then these are the other sounds. We have double E. Remember, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. Remember that? ¿Se acuerdan? These are two vowels together. Aquí hay dos vocales juntas. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So this one is silent. This one is long. E. This is a magic E that is going to be silent. Squeeze. Squeeze. Apretar. Squeeze. Squish. Squish. This is our special sound. Squ. And the other special sound is shh. This one here. Shh. The other special sound. Shh. And the vowel, la vocal, the vowel is going to be short. E. E. Short. E. Squish. Squish. Another example for squish. Squish. Squeak. Squeak. This is a special sound. Squ. Squ. Here. This one. Squ. Squ. And then we have two vowels together. Do you see them? Here. Here they are. Two vowels together. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. Here are the two vowels. So the second one is silent. And this one is long. E. Squeak. Squeak. It's the sound that mice, for example, make. Es el sonido que, por ejemplo, los ratoncitos hacen. Ese sonido alto que hacen, that's a squeak. O también cuando suena una puerta. Ese chirrido es squeak. So, squeak means chirrido. Squeak. Chirrido. Squeak. Square. Square. Cuadrado. Square. Here is our special sound. Squ. Squ. And then this is square. Square. This is going to sound air. Square. Good. Cuadrado. Square. I hope you liked the class. See you soon. Bye-bye.